Okay, so what are you going to do now?
Right. Hello everybody and welcome back to dubious engineering. I'm at Mum's house today and we're going to do a giveaway. Yes indeed, we are giving away a Arduino kit, and this, I must admit, this is absolutely epic. This is fantastic. It's got loads and loads and loads of really good stuff inside it. So Elegoo, which is a very interesting name, but Elegoo got in touch with me and they make these kits, and they also make 3D printers. So what we're going to do is we're going to give one of these away. The instructions will be in the comment section down below. Please make sure you give us a good old thumbs up. Please make sure you go and read the comments and see the instructions on how to get your hands on one of these. One of these kits will be going to one of our lucky subscribers. So it's got so much stuff in there. I'm going to show you all of that in just a few seconds. Mum's here just because. Say hi, Mum.
Hi, darlings. This is my little boy, but he's a big one now.
Anyway, here it is. This is what's going to come through your door if you win. Basically, we're going to pull names from a hat and all that kind of good stuff. But this is what's going to come through your door, one of these kits. So get on, put some comments in the comment section down below. Make sure that you read the comment section down below so you know what the instructions are, and enjoy the review of this super starter kit, this UNO R3 project starter kit. This is an Arduino project starter kit. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Tell them to subscribe, Mum.
Would you please subscribe?
Give us a good old thumbs up. Tell them to give us a thumbs up.
Thumbs up for all of us.
Make sure you put a comment in the comment section down below. Okay, cheers everybody. Thanks for watching. All right, so here it is then. This is the Elegoo Super Starter Kit UNO R3 project box. There's a CD here with a PDF instruction books on how to do your wiring code and the libraries of the code, so that you've got some demo code to have a play around with. There's so much stuff in here, it's really quite cool. This here then is clearly the little Arduino PCB. Let's pop that out so you can see it. It's got a power supply port on one side of it and a USB port on the other side of it. Here's the USB port cable. So you've got a cable to connect it to your computer so you can send your code to it and you can program it. You get an LCD display. Fantastic, look at that. That's your standard 2-line LCD display there. Get a bunch of LEDs. Now, another thing to note here is all of these have been so well packaged, and they've actually got silica gel in the packs as well to keep everything nice and dry. You even get in the kit a 9-volt PP3 style battery, and this is even branded Elegoo as well. A really good fun educational pack, I would say. So in here there's a couple of buzzers and a couple of little chips. There's little push buttons here and some diodes. Here we've got what looks like a control knob, and then if I lift this up here we can see that we've actually got an analog control stick. So ultimately we can connect this to the analog control PCB here, and we've got push buttons and an analog control stick. That's really super cool. Here we've got a little power PCB with a little switch on it, a USB port and a power input socket, all protected by foam. We've got an electric motor for things that want to spin around. We've got a little fan here which would fit on top of that motor. We've got another electric motor. This one looks very much like a stepper motor, and if you look here there's a number of connectors that you'll be able to plug directly into your PCB. We've got an ultrasonic sensor here so you can sense distances, see if your robot's getting close to the wall. Here we've got what looks like a little IR send and receive unit. We've got a little servo control. So this is a little servo drive mechanism, little radio controlled servo drive mechanism for rotating to specific angles. Then in this corner of the box here, you've got a little LED display. That looks like it could be turned into a clock. We've got another little IR receiver. We've got what looks like some kind of thermal and or moisture type detector. A little relay. We've got another single 8-segment LED display. A variable resistor, 10K. And a little twiddler for the variable resistor here. And then on top of that, a little bit of a breadboard and another little circuit header here, so that when you've come up with your design, you can go ahead and make something a little bit more permanent. We've got an Elegoo remote control, a whole bunch of pre-wired cables. These guys just plug straight into the breadboard. A whole load of resistors here. We've got a little connector that gives you the ability to plug your 9-volt battery straight into the power port. We've got a breadboard, fantastic, with some double-sided tape on the back of it. And then we've also got some extension cables or some board header cables here. Fantastic. That's a lot of stuff in one box. Are you ready for this? Connect up your LED, see if it works. Oh yeah! Excellent. Ladies and gentlemen, boys, girls, your Elegoo kit. So, Vicky's now learning electronics. She'll know more than me in a heartbeat, I'm pretty sure. But your wonderful Elegoo kit that we're giving away could well be on its way to you in the very near future. Please make sure you give us a good old thumbs up. Please go ahead and read the comments section so you know how to apply to get your name in the hat for the drawing for this kit that we will be sending to one of our very lucky subscribers in the very near future. In fact, we're going to have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway very soon. At which point we'll announce the winner for this kit, and we'll also be giving away a little Game Boy as well. So that'll be really quite cool, and we're really looking forward to doing that. Yeah? You don't want me to give away the Game Boy? No? Okay. Well, we're going to give away a little Game Boy. Ow, ow. Okay, cheers people, take care. Thanks ever so much for subscribing. Give us a good old thumbs up. Don't forget, comment if you want one of these kits, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers and biz, people. Have a wonderful week and weekend. Bye for now. Ooh.
Ooh, you're fat?
No, it's the floor.
Here and there, if you're fond of